They found the house that I bought and posted it online. I'm living alone. I have 2 small kids. Had they any cop on or consideration for our safety?
Julie, thanks for joining us. Have you faced abuse since starting your own page?
Oh, come here. I can write a book. They're just unhinged. Like, people are really, really unhinged. My poor old dad, he passed away 4 years ago. It was actually COVID time, so there was only, I think there was 5 of us allowed at the funeral. We posted a link to RIP, so other family members, I suppose, at home could join in and say a couple of prayers or whatever. My trolls joined in and watched me during my dad's funeral, my every single move, and commentated on my every single move. I had my son with me and he had to go to the bathroom, so I walked out of the church to bring him to the bathroom. And look at her, she's leaving. Why is she leaving the church? It's shocking. It's absolutely shocking. And again, before my dad passed away, I actually brought him for a pint. And as I said, we were in COVID time, but we were allowed to stay in our county. I drove him down. He had his pint of Murphy's. I posted a picture of my dad holding the pint of Murphy's. And I was like so happy I was able to get out with my dad this afternoon. And then they find out who my dad's cancer doctor was and emailed my dad's cancer doctor and was like, he is out with his daughter having a pint. Yes, he's been treated in your facility or your care.
Yeah.
But at the time we were allowed out. Do you know, I'd every right to be out with my dad, and he was literally only a couple of weeks left to live. I just think we're actually getting very bitter. I was a single mom for the last 8 years. I have a set of twins, and I saved my butt off. I got a mortgage finally a couple of months ago, and I shared on my social media because I'm very proud of myself. I went to agreed all by myself. They went away, found the house that I bought and posted it online. Like, that's very, very dangerous. Like, you know, I'm living alone. I have 2 small kids. I'm expecting. Had they any cop on or consideration for our safety?
But like that, but that's even beyond. There's no trolling, I should say. Sorry, there's no trolling acceptable or nice. But like, my God, that just seems so constant and persistent, and it's vicious, Julie.
It's vicious. Like, I have no problem then coming on and saying, oh, Julie Haynes got a fringe, it's disgusting. Her jumper today is disgusting, whatever. Grand, that's your own business if you think that. But don't be sharing where I live. You know, my car was broken into only last week. Maybe they knew it was me. Maybe they knew this is where I live because of these idiots posting my address.